Okay.
Yeah.
Ready to record.
Yeah. Just say yaymath when I do.
It says ready to record.
It's recording this.
Oh, it's recording.
Oh, it says recording. Technical difficulties. It's the first time on the Mac. All right, so welcome back to yaymath. Today we're going to be solving systems of equations. There's a test in the other room, so we have one chance. So just make it happen, and then we're going to be done with it. So make me proud. It's okay. Yaymath?
Yeah!
Oh, you guys. Yeah, you guys are too nice. You guys are too nice. I thought you'd be like, yay, Matt, screw him. Don't sweat it. All right, so here we go. Here's the situation. Please write the following equations. All right, oh my God, I'm so happy we're doing this. So happy. This hasn't been way too long. Do you feel like it's been long?
Yeah, we haven't had a math class.
I know, it's been.
Missed you so much.
Yeah.
Yay, English!
Dude, I love this place. I love it. I love this place is awesome. Alright, here we go. I tap dance.
Oh, keeper.
Oh, yeah. Like, yes, Ivrit! Sì, matematica! Italiano?
It would just be like sing-song here.
Like Italiano, like beret, like, oh, sì, matematica! Grazie! Okay. Alright, so here's the issue. This is an equation with two variables. This is an equation with two variables. Are these linear? Are these lines?
Yeah.
Yes, so these are two lines, and we're trying to find out if they cross, where they cross. And that will be the solution for both. So let's think about this for a sec, brief review. How many solutions exist for this line itself? Infinite, very good. What would be one solution?
Zero.
Four. What's another one?
One.
How about 6, 0?
6, 0.
6, 0. Stick with the zeros, it's good. All right. What's the solution for this?
1, 0.
0.
2 zeros, 1. Good. 0, negative 4. Good. So infinite solutions here, infinite solutions here. Together, there should be generally 1, is the idea. So let's find it. One method is a method that, like when you don't have a teacher in that day and then a new teacher comes in, you watch videos, you call that teacher the? Substitute. So this is the substitution method. Yeah. Okay, substitution method. First step for substitution method is to write the equations side by side. Hopefully you did that. I did that on purpose. So we're writing them side by side. Next step is to what's called, anyone know what it's called? To what the what?
Substitute the variable.
Isolate the variable. Good guess. Good guess. Isolate the variable. So we have 4 choices here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one would be the easiest to isolate? Yes, sir.
The 2x plus 3y equals 12.
Well, which are going to isolate
Or
x or y?
X.
I claim that there's an easier variable to isolate.
The negative
Confine,
y.
yeah?
The negative y.
The negative y. Because it could be done without any sort of division, right?
Oh, yeah.
So let's isolate the y here. So, isolate, put him in his room. Bad boy, bad.
No dinner for you.
What, no dinner. That's so mean. Yes.
Wait, can I do it?
Yes, please. I'd love for you to do it.
Okay.
You're the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So you minus 2x from both sides.
Minus 2x from both sides.
And then you have negative 2x plus 4 equals negative y.
So
And
we're
then you
writing negative
change-
y
And then you change the
equals negative 2x plus 4. And then you multiply both sides by
Negative
negative 1, leaving
y equals 2x minus 4.
y equals
Oh, yeah,
2x
Can I do the substitute?
minus 4. I love volunteers. So yes, basically when you multiply by negative 1, you change all the signs. Color coding, you don't need to do this on your paper, but check it out. I'm going to make this y blue. Make this y blue. What's the problem with 2 variables in one equation? Can you solve that?
No.
No. Can't solve because there's infinite solutions here. So what's the goal? To go from 2 variables to
One.
One.
You plug in the
Oh,
y
where we
equals
see
to
a
Right.
y.
It all
Oh, I
makes
love the
sense.
O moments.
Yes.
The O moments.
Oh.
Yeah, it's I'm like this. It's here. So yes. So now that y is isolated, instead of this y, we're going to write 2x minus 4, and watch what happens. So 2x plus 3 equals 12. Notice we skipped the y. Y is not written anymore. In its place we put 2x minus 4. And now we have an equation with one variable, aka an equation we can solve. All right, Algebra 2 Renos, so walk me through. 2x, anyone together, why not?
2x plus 6x minus 12
Equals 12. More.
8x minus
8x equals what?
0.
24.
24.
X equals 3.
This marker is about to die. So there.
You know?
So then you
Use
plug
the
in
green
x
one.
So
equals 3.
x equals 3 is half the solution. The solution to this now is 3 something. 3 something. Yes. Plug into which one?
The other one.
Either one.
Oh.
It should work for both is the whole point.
So
So which one?
First one.
2x minus 3
How about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one has y isolated. So we can plug x right in here. And we are finish. Okay. So this x equals 3 arrows. Goes into there.
So y equals
So
6.
y
And
equals
2.
2 times 3 minus 4.
Equals y equals
6 minus 4 equals
2.
2. So answer is 3, 2. Yes, cheese.
So what does that mean? Does that mean that's where those 2 lines meet?
Exactly. Means 3, 2 is the point where these 2 lines meet. And 3, 2 is the only point that will work in both equations. Volunteer to check this one. Yes?
So 2 times 3 is 6.
2 times 3 is 6 plus
Plus 3y, so that's 3 times 2 is
3
6.
times 2 is 6.
6 plus 6 equals 12.
So, what's so good about this class, I keep emphasizing, is that you can take a test and know if you get the answer right before you even give it to me. That's so cool to me. All right, and you can check this one. Someone else do that? Not all at once. Yeah.
Okay, so 2 times 3. Well,
Yeah.
does it matter which equation?
Start with the original.
Okay.
Yeah.
2 times 3.
2 times 3 is
6
6
minus 2
is
is 4.
4. So that works too. So we have proof that this point works for both equations. Bravo, bravo. All right. Next one.
Whoa.
I need to learn how to brace with my left hand. Then I'll be like kind of too devoted to this right hand system.
Right,
Use
yeah.
that.
They say that you should like eat with your left hand to
Makes you
like,
smarter.
like other parts of your brain and stuff. When I had a cast, I was eating with my left hand. Hated it.
If you put your mouse on the left side, it makes you smarter.
Makes you smarter. It's like, I can't do this math. Wait a sec. Oh yeah. It's like, I get it now. Oh my god, I have a new idea for biodiesel fuel. Like that smarter, or like smarter like smart Alec? Like, oh, never mind. I'm feeling the shirt today. Does anyone have this at home?
Is that a Nintendo?
Yeah, this one?
I
got it.
have one.
You did? When you were like 5?
Water.
I have
I
one.
I used to have the 64.
We sold it. We had a yard sale and sold it.
For how much?
Like, I don't know. It was worth more than.
I know,
It was
it's
like
more than, yeah.
$70 or something.
This thing, man, when I was a kid, we went to the store, and I was like, Dad, I want a Nintendo! And everyone was playing. It was
Yeah,
like the
it was
first
a big
type
thing.
of its kind type of thing. And like, we would have these like massive, like we do this thing where like who can beat Mario within 10 minutes type of games. They have them on YouTube now. It's like someone can like fly through Mario in like 5 minutes. Like,
I was so good at that.
bong, bong, get the star, just run through people. Maybe you don't know the reference. Okay, yeah, we played it. You know the game?
I
I know.
know Nintendo 64.
Nintendo 64, right?
I get you.
Imagine.
I still play it. We still have it on my cousin's house and we play it. I'm always Peach.
You know about the blowing? Who's done the blowing?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's like I'm the artist. It's like no. Robert's good, you guys. I come in, I'm like. And then you put it in, perfect.
So am I.
And then you push power, and then it's like wee, and you're like, missed it. Never mind. Equals 18. Okay, ready for
Round 2.
round 2?
Method?
No, let's do substitution again, and then we'll hit the new method. I want to make sure we got it. So, which variable would you like to isolate? Let's isolate x. One step.
Minus 2y.
Minus 2 on both sides. Good job.
So good.
That's good. And you're humble.
I won an award for it, actually.
That's good. My favorite saying is, I'm humble. In fact, I'm the most humble person I know. You got it? Yeah, you're with it? I'm actually writing an autobiography about how humble I am. I'm going to sing to myself in the mirror as I gel my hair about how humble I am. And yeah. So we have this variable isolated. And now we
Plug it in.
here.
Yes.
So what will we write? Notice I say we. Yes.
1/2 and then parentheses.
1/2
So it'd be like
parentheses.
4.
8
Not yet,
minus.
Oh.
Okay.
Keep going.
8 minus 2y
8 minus 2y.
and then
Continue.
minus y
Minus y
equals 18.
equals 18. Very nice. Very nice. Good. And now we make a distributions and we solve it. So this is 1/2 times 8 is 4. Minus y. Minus y equals 18. Minus y, combine like terms to make negative 2y, sharp as a blade, sharp as a blade.
That went really well.
I know. It's great. If it goes well, it's cool. And if it falls flat on my face, it's like, oh my god, look at that guy. And then subtract 4 from both sides. How well will that go?
Pretty well.
Now we go.
Okay, how's it gonna go? What are you gonna do? Subtract 4, and what do you got here?
14.
Yeah, minus 4 on both sides. This goes to 14. Divide by negative 2. Y is negative 7. And now, where shall we plug?
Y into that one. Just
That one? Yeah, let's do that one.
That's very descriptive.
X plus
Oh, that
2
one. X plus 2
times negative 7
times negative 7
equals 8.
equals 8. Very nice. What's 2 times negative 7?
Negative 14.
Negative 14.
Plus 14 on both sides. 14 bucks plus 8 bucks. 22 bucks. It's amazing, you guys. It's a money thing. It really works. You'd be surprised. I seriously asked someone, I'm like, what's 22 minus 7? And they're like, 16. I'm like, you have $22. Someone took $7 away. They're like, 15! It's a really weird question.
Okay, wait, wouldn't it be x minus? Oh wait, no, never mind, because I plugged it into a different
Alright, good.
one.
That's good. Answer
Yeah,
your own
me too,
question.
I did.
So here's 22. Okay?
So ridiculous.
So you can plug in and check like last time. We don't need to go through that. Now what I want to do is switch to a new method. Many people think this method is better. It's called elimination. You know,
Aren't they similar?
they're very similar because you're going to get the same answer.
Wait.
When we solve with elimination, what answer do you think we'll get?
The same answer.
22 negative
22
7.
negative 7. So let's do it with a different method. Erasing.
You have to think of good ones. This is boring.
Good what?
Erasing methods.
Oh, I might speed it up or something. Like right now, my voice could be really high. Like in the film.
Yeah, be like really funny.
All right, so step one. Step one for elimination method, you don't write them side by side, you write them one on top of the other. So let's rewrite both equations now.
Wait, we're redoing this problem?
Yes, and we're gonna get the same answer. Yeah. So, rewriting this, so don't forget it. 1 half x minus y. 18 is there. And I'm gonna leave the answer up as like moral support. We know we're gonna get that. It's like, I know I'm gonna get there. Yeah.
Okay, I kind of remember it.
You kind of remember it. All right. Can you explain it in your own words,
Yeah.
please?
Okay, so you have to make, like, either the x or y cancel each other out.
Right.
So, for,
X or y cancel each other out.
yeah.
Right.
So, then the bottom one, you'd,
So in this case, would you rather cancel out the x's or would you rather cancel out the y's? Because in the substitution method, you recall, we got rid of one variable. We're going to do the same thing here. So let's cancel out y. So the way I recommend doing it, there's multiple ways of doing this, is I say let's add the equations together every time. So if we're going to add the equations together, we need to make it so that when you add two variables together, they go to 0. So for example, what can I add to 2y to make 2y go away?
Negative y.
so then you
Negative
multiply the bottom
2y.
one by 2.
Oh, sorry, yeah, so
Negative 2y. 2y plus negative 2y will eliminate the y's. General question, what do I add to 8 to make 8 go away? Negative 8. So the goal is to make them pretty much the same number, either x or y, doesn't matter. Make them the same number, make one positive, make one negative. That's all. Question.
Oh no, I
Tactic?
say how to do it, yeah.
So how are we going to make this?
So I think it's easiest to get the negative y to negative 2y,
Yes, by doing what?
timesing 2.
By to the whole equation, correct?
Yeah.
Right on. So we're going to multiply this whole equation by 2. This is allowed in math. Whatever you do to one side, you do the other side. The rule holds. Here's the thing, you guys. I highly recommend this. Do it. It takes 1 second longer, but it's really going to help you. Rewrite both equations. Rewrite both equations. It's a very healthy strategy. So,
Can we write them next to it?
but you may. Yeah. Do you really want me to? I'll do it right now for you because I'm like that.
Sure.
Awesome. Okay. X plus 2y. Anyone disagree? You want me to put it down here? No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, isn't it a negative thing? Oh, no, no.
Okay, so we write at the top, and now walk us through this one, please.
What method is this?
It's called the elimination method.
X plus negative 2y.
X, so let's call it minus 2y,
Okay. Minus 2y.
equals
36.
36. Here's a big hint. I'll give you like the #1 mistake people make is they forget to multiply this.
Wait, how do you, I don't get the beginning.
Why
How
do
you
you
got that?
multiply by 2?
This one? Oh, what is 2 times 1/2?
Yeah. 1.
Yeah, so 1x. There it is.
Wait, so,
Oh, there's the
so
one.
you get the same as the top x?
No, that's coincidental. Our
So then
aim,
why do you multiply by 2?
because we wanted this 2y to eliminate with
Oh,
this
okay,
2y.
okay.
Because when you add them, it'll go away. If you add these x's, will they go away?
No.
No. What do they become?
2x.
2x. So let's go ahead. All right, here we go. Adding down. X plus x equals
2x
2x.
equals
2y plus negative 2y. Cancels. 8 plus 36. Dollars. 44. Divide by 2. X equals 22. Hopefully you're not surprised.
Nope.
Surprise, why would I be?
Exactly. So x equals 22.
And then
Question.
On the task, you didn't make us do.
Yes. So solve by substitution, solve by elimination.
Why don't you do it going downwards?
And then solve by method of your choice would be the next one. Why don't we do it going down? What do you mean going down?
No, he, like,
Why
I
didn't I
asked you
write
to
it
do
here?
it like that, and he wants you to do it.
Oh, you wanted me to write it here?
I don't have a preference.
By request. It's just no, you could have done it. Yeah. If you guys are leaving, just watch the door so it doesn't slam. It's all good. Okay, so 22. Now we plug in, right? Which one do you want to plug into?
That one.
The top
Yes,
one.
that one. That one.
Name them. This is mine.
22 plus 2y.
Okay, that one, yeah. It's funny when it's the second time. 22 plus 2y equals 8.
Minus
Minus 22, very nice. 2y equals $8 and someone jacks you and takes $22 that you don't have.
14.
Yeah. Negative 14.
Down 14.
Yeah. It's like, here's my $8 and let me go to the bank. Ugh. Minus 14. Yeah, that's how I hand money to criminals, over my head. Negative 7.
So you don't look.
And, right. It's too painful. So there it is again. Questions on
Negative 7.
Negative 7.
questions on elimination method. Just show of hands, and I'll say to the camera just to get an idea. Raise your hand if you're a substitution fan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're looking like a little more than half the room. Raise your hand if you're an elimination fan. A little less than half the room. That's interesting. Usually people are fans of the elimination method.
Really?
Yeah, you guys are unique.
I like
Yay.
One more.
I like it.
One more.
Mama.
One more. One more.
That's when the sound really low, but on the video it's kind of sound like.
So,
Okay, that's right.
so the camera can't see it. Do you want to solve this by sub or a limb? Well, we've done 2 subs. We've done 2 subs. Let's do a limb. Let's do a limb. So, okay, let's write this.
So for the next time you should have.
No. So, is this ready?
No.
It's not ready for elimination. Why is it not ready for elimination?
Because the y's in the
Gotta line them up, right up. So let's line them up.
situation, I would just say substitute.
I would just do plus y, and then you're
Plus
done.
y,
You're
correct.
done.
Yes, so substitution would be fine here, but I want to prove a point. Let's do elimination by adding y to both sides. If we were to add y to both sides, guys, keep it together in the back, please. Work together. And so let's rewrite both. 6x plus 3y equals 12. Add y to both sides, and we get 2x plus y equals 8. All right. Now we're ready to do our elimination process. Yes?
You multiply the bottom one by -3.
Cool, let's do that. Multiply the bottom one by -3.
Doesn't the whole thing equal 0 then?
Yeah.
Something's in the air.
She just said.
Thank you. Okay, we're rewriting both. 6x plus 3y equals 12. All right, volunteer to say what the bottom one would be. Yes.
Negative 6x.
Negative 6x
Plus.
Minus.
Oh no, minus 3y.
minus 3y
Equals negative 24.
equals negative 24. All right. Anyone see what's going on? Something's up here.
Fishy.
So let's continue. Can you add the 2 equations together, please?
Yeah, so then there's no x, there's no y.
6x plus negative 6x, gone.
0. Gone.
3y plus negative 3y,
Gone.
gone. 0. Equals 12 plus negative 24? Negative 12. Is this statement true?
No.
No solution. What does it mean when you have 2 lines and there's no solution? Your hand was up?
They're on. No, they're.
They're parallel, exactly. These 2 lines are parallel. Can anyone explain what that means they're parallel? So what does that mean? Yes?
They'll never intersect.
Exactly. Parallel lines will never intersect. Were you going to say that too?
I was gonna say they have the same slope.
They have the same slope, meaning they'll never intersect, meaning there's no point that works for both. Excuse me, both. That's the idea, no solution. And let's just strike while the iron's hot. Do you know where that expression comes from?
Strike while the iron's hot.
Strike while the iron's
Blacksmithing.
Blacksmithing. What about blacksmithing? Say.
The iron is hot, so you can still mold
When iron is red hot, you can pound it and move it. You can move iron. It's pretty cool. So strike while the iron's hot. It's like we're gonna put one more thing in while your brain's warm.
Because metal is malleable.
Imagine if we would add this up. Imagine we added this up and we got something like, this is the last piece of the day, so let's finish strong. Alright. Imagine we got something like 12 equals 12. Something like that.
That means all real numbers.
Doesn't mean all real numbers.
It means that they're the same line.
Same line. And if they're the same line, what's the answer?
Oh,
Infinite solutions.
undefined.
Infinite solutions.
You mean where they meet is infinite solution?
Yes.
Okay.
The whole point about
Oh,
this
because
is where
the
they
lines
meet.
are the lines are the
Yeah.
same thing.
The whole point of this is where they meet. So this is infinite solutions.
So on a graph, they would like overlap.
Yeah, it'd be the same line, one on top of the other.
Would you ever make a graph something like that?
Sure. You
How,
got
how would you just one line?
You graph one line, and then the next line would be right on top of it.
So you put two arrows?
Yeah, and then you'd say infinite solutions.
Or you can call it.
Can you just write the equations for both lines on the same line?
Sure. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? All right. Nice job. What? Homesies? Homesies?
Gina.
Oh, homesies! Homesies!
I'm good.
What is my dance? What is
That's so funny.
Can you tell a joke?
yeah.
Yeah. Tell us a joke.
Oh god,
Mr.
I wasn't prepared.
Yeah, you can't ask for a joke.
All right.
Yeah,
So the riddle is
Riddle
is two people go to they go up to the bar and they order the exact same drink and exactly the same, and they're in the completely same mental and physical and psychological health, right? They order the exact same drink. One of them takes it and just like downs it, puts it down, and the next guy takes his time, sips, has chill out time, drinks it, puts it down. The guy who drinks it slowly dies. How did it happen?
Poison in the ice cubes.
Poison the ice cubes. Heard it before?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't
The ice cubes were poisoned.
And they melted into the
They
drink.
melted into the drink.
Because you drink it slowly.
Wait, listen. That wasn't a
That was a riddle.
I don't like that riddle.
That was a riddle.
Okay.
Say it out loud.
Don't like that riddle, then I'll ask you the riddles anymore. What about a joke?
Sounds like a life joke, like car mechanic.
I gotta get over.
Yeah, right. Car mechanic. Yeah, I'll come up with a story next time for you. I told the story about the car mechanic.
Yeah.
Everyone is a mechanic.
With your
of a car.
brother?
Wait, can you say it again?
No.
Like
The car mechanic? No, I'll come up with something new. Not about that.
Did you make that up? Was that real?
It's for real.
Okay, good.
These are nice moments though. I like this stuff. I always play with the marker while we're talking.
Wait, why don't you tell us about like your ego and stuff? I mean, the other.
You mean Sigmund Freud's ego?
Yeah.
It's not. For another time and place, they're not interested. These people come here for the math. I'm here all night. Thank you, everyone. Going out. It's Friday. It's almost 10 o'clock. Yaymath?
Yaymath.
Okay, yeah. Stop.
I'll let you do your dance first.
Do the dance. Take it up, baby. I'm done. Got it?
I think no.
No, it's
Stop
different.
button, stop button.
First time I'm
Import.
back.
Hit import.
Helper.